Hello everyone and welcome to the studio. My name is Karen Margulis and today we're going to take a journey. We're going to travel through the landscape and we're going to start from the ground and work our way up. We're going to explore some wonderful, beautiful grasses and wildflowers, a meadow filled with red poppies. We're going to explore some interesting trees, venture into the mountains, and even explore the sky and some clouds. And when we return from this journey, we will be armed with the knowledge of 3 very powerful tools that we can use to paint better landscapes with wildflowers and without wildflowers. We'll also learn tips and techniques to help us paint more natural and believable grasses and wildflowers, sophisticated grasses and wildflowers. We'll learn to avoid the challenges that we face when painting landscapes with these elements. One of the things that I like to do when I paint is to simplify things. I like to approach a painting with a plan. If I have a plan, then I can let go and have freedom in my mark making and color choices and have much more natural looking paintings. So I want to take you today step by step from the very beginning stages with a simple plan to a no-fail underpainting approach. That's right, no fail. You can't go wrong with this way of starting a painting. We'll take you through the layering process so that we can layer for beautiful color without creating mud. I'm going to share ways that you can create light, a beautiful feeling of warm sunlight on our flowers and our trees and grasses. We're going to learn how to have a strong start for a sensational finish. So we're going to cover all this and more in today's painting. So I invite you to sit back, relax, enjoy the demo, or paint along with me. I'd love for you to paint along with me. We're going to have a lot of fun today, so let's go ahead and get started.